stressing out about the shelf and things. These guys are making plushies for Easter.
I'm almost done.
You're almost done. Gavin is almost at the forehead.
I want
I want to show. It's a dinosaur.
It's so cute.
It's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh! It's got little arms and little legs. Stubby little arms and stubby little legs.
Oh, look at that I made.
It's okay, Gab. We're beginners.
I'm gonna name your rabbit.
But,
Middle name is P. Like P. Dot.
oh crap.
Rabbit P.
Hair.
Ah, I like it. Cute. So close to my face.
Where do we put it? Where do we put it?
And 6. Now?
How do I close my magic ring?
Pull
Yeah.
the string.
The long one?
No, the one that's not connected to your hook. That
Fish.
one. Pull.
No,
Pull.
it's not.
Just keep pulling.
It's not magicking.
Just pull it as much as you can.
It is magicking.
Oh, I lost track. Oh, I didn't.
Wow. Like, are you done with your rabbit?
No.
Because I'm still making the
This is the rabbit.
Ridiculous.
What the frick? Why is yours so nice?
Wait.
What the hell?
I thought you were studying. Oh my gosh! Don't pull the string.
Show the internet the difference between your stitches and Izzy's.
Okay, but like, don't pull the string because I'm gonna lose my place and then I will cry. Oh, it's missing. Tito. How many more rows do you have for that one?
I don't know. You said one.
No, and then what's next?
I don't know. You said don't play her because you don't like her voice. You said that's what you said.
Why is it?
No! Here, I'll give it to you, Gavin, because I'm gonna put the
No,
stitch
wait.
marker,
It's actually gonna not.
which is just my earring.
It's not gonna be nice now if I do
here.
it. You can just redo this.
No, I don't wanna. Let me finish mine.
Is
I'm also using a different. I'm using a different pattern.
No wonder, maybe this pattern just sucks.
No, I don't
Sure.
think. But like, it's
No,
the
I
same-
don't think. I don't think the pattern. I think you. She's so mean.
No.
I want to show the source of Gavin's despair. This is Gavin's work, and then this is Izzy's work.
Wait.
And I don't know, but Gav, why is yours so
Doing double crochet, single crochet, double crochet.
fluffier?
Wait.
I feel like Gavin's needs to be shaved.
Yeah.
Clothes.
No, I'd buy him. Well, let's see. Dog clothes are expensive.
Really? You can sew him clothes.
You're an elephant. It's so big. Saan mo na sisters and yung brothers?
This is my egg.
Oh my gosh.
And then in the back, I'm gonna put the back of the bag.
Okay, go for it.
Okay.
Aw. Aw. You're so fluffy. Hi. So, I did the thing that I always do. I started a project and then life got in the way and I completely forgot about it. Amazing. Last thing you would have seen was the kids making plushies. We were making plushies for our Easter games. As you know, we like to go a little all out on Easter. So the plushies are going to be prizes because I had this idea in my mind of making a claw machine for the kiddos because I really feel like they would enjoy that. But then I realized that March is like crazy busy for me, so I did not think I would have time to do it, so I would have to purchase one. Luckily though, my sister happens to have a claw machine for some reason in storage, and I asked her to bring it over yesterday. So let's get to unboxing it and see what we are working with. My only concern is that the plushies that we've made are quite large and this is looking a little small, so I don't know if I'll even be able to fit everything in here. This looks legit. And it comes with a bunch of toys, but the plushies we made are definitely too big, so that's gonna be a little problem. I'll figure that out later. For now, let's see what we got. Ha! See, this is the size we should have made, which would have been a lot faster, to be honest. Oh, look at that! Comes with a bunch of stuff. Let's put this together and see what we're working with. Ta-da! That wasn't so bad actually. So, comes with toys, it comes with batteries, which we love. It comes with stickers to decorate it, which we are not gonna use because in true Dido fashion, I'm gonna make my own stickers. Cause why not give myself more work? Let's actually install the batteries and see how this works. And see if this works. We don't even know if this works. All right, let's give it a shot. See what we got. It works! Oh, that was cute. Okay. Oh, maybe I have to put in a coin. So cute. Oh my gosh, it's working. Okay, okay. And you can get it to spin. Oh! And then how do I... No! Pick up the thing. Hang on, I got this. Oh my gosh. This should not be this hard. Oh, here we go. Running out of time. Running out of time. Yes! I got one! That was way harder than I thought it would be. They are going to have a blast with this thing. So, if this is the size of toy that they recommend, then our plushies are definitely not gonna fit. Let me grab a plushie and show you. Look at the size of what Izzy has made versus the size that came with the toy. And just using it this one time, it's not strong enough. There's no way it's gonna pick this up. So it also comes with these little, what are they called? Captcha? Something like that? The little capsule balls. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make like a little icon that will indicate which plushie they're gonna get depending on which little ball thing they pick up. Yes, so these are the things that I need to work on.
I'm gonna go for the pink one. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh, 2 for... Oh yeah. Apa dia balik?
Yeah.
Yeah, so good. So,
We are jumping forward in time a little bit because I forgot to talk to you guys about what's been going on. So I spent a day decorating the stickers for the claw machine, and here is how it turned out. Probably spent more time than I should have on those stickers. I just have to say I had so much fun coming up with this design. As much as I like having very clear instructions on what I need to do, sometimes it's really just fun to explore and not have any expectation or plan in mind. So for this particular project, I was just thinking of you know, that scene from Toy Story with the claw machine. So it got me thinking about space. And for some reason, that got me thinking about space cats. And I came up with this whole thing about caternauts in Meowder space. And it just made me laugh, which is why I decided to go with it. Don't know if it was worth all that effort, but it made me happy to do it. And now I'm gonna take it out and see if the kids like it.
Do I have to put money in?
Yes, you have to put money in.
Is it time? I have only 50 seconds? I want the purple one. How do I make it go back up? Wow!
So I put a little face on the ones that you made.
It's so cute.
Let's see if the machine can pick it up.
It won't fit in this hole.
I can open the back.
No, but like when you drop it, it won't go in the hole.
This is true. I just want to see what will happen. Okay, you have a coin? Try it again.
Fail.
Here's a coin. Try it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining our family on another Easter. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter. And this is what I've learned from looking at my YouTube subs recently. More than half of you are watching my videos but are not subscribed. So if you enjoy what you are seeing, then please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!